Not sure how to use your Hisense AC remote? Model number DG11L1-04. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The red on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The smart button automatically selects the most suitable mode, fan speed, and temperature to maintain a comfortable room environment while optimizing energy efficiency. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The super button activates turbo mode for rapid cooling or heating. Press it to run the AC at maximum fan speed and power, bringing the room to your set temperature as quickly as possible. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the I Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. When you press the 8-degree heat button, the AC maintains a temperature of 8 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit, in the room, preventing it from getting too cold or freezing when you're not home. Press first to use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Each press lets you adjust the hours and minutes until your desired start time is set. Press the second time to activate the clock mode to set the current time on your Hisense AC remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off, perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Press the button once to activate dimmer mode. This turns off the LED display on the indoor unit, making it ideal for dark rooms or nighttime comfort. Press the button once to activate economy mode. This reduces energy consumption by maintaining a stable, efficient temperature, helping you save power without sacrificing comfort. To activate the lock mode on your Hisense AC remote, press and hold the timer on and timer off buttons together for about 3 seconds. Once the lock symbol appears on the display, it means the remote is locked and no other buttons will respond until you repeat the same step to unlock it. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.